Hello, good morning children. How are you all? I hope everyone's staying safe at home. Yes, children, today we are going to start our new academic year classes. So here I am your English teacher, myself Hanita teacher. And today our first lesson is a new pet. Children, everyone open your first lesson, a new pet, page number 5. Yes, so everyone open. So here one small puppy is there. So we are talking about the pet animal. So here in our story, a small little girl was there. So she want to get a pet animal. So usually pet animals you might have seen beside your neighbors, or you also might have. Right children? So what are the pet animals? Pet animals are the domestic animals which are not harm to us, and we will have with our together. They will survive together with us in our house, and we will be taking care, and they will also take care of us. Yes, so few pet animals. So first, what is our lesson name? A new pet. So understood, what is our lesson name? A new pet. So you can see this pet animal, dog. So see here, look into the lesson, page number 5. It is Sunday. Dad, mom and I are going to get a new pet. So what this little girl going to get? A new pet animal. So here see, we are not going to a pet shop. So what this little girl was telling? She is not going to a pet shop. So where she is getting then? See, we are going to get you a very special pet, says dad. So what his dad said? That she is going to get a special pet for her. Now look into the lesson children, and that is why we are going to the house of mom's friend. So here mom's friend, they are where they are going? To their mom's friend house. Understood? So where they are going? To their mom's friend. Her name is what? Aunt Mimi. What is the aunt name? Aunt name is Mimi. So now look into the lesson. Her house is very far from our house. So we are taking a taxi. So how they are going? They are going through a taxi. Why? Because it is very far. So usually if it is nearby, we'll go through by walk, and we'll be getting our things. But here it is far. So they are taking a taxi. Now look into the lesson. Aunt Mimi is sad. She is going abroad. So children, see here, abroad. It is a new word for you, and here abroad means what? I am going to tell. Wait. So here abroad, A-B-R-O-A-D, abroad. Abroad is a place where it is a foreign country. Understood? So we cannot go through train or bus service. We can only go through flight. Flight means what? Aeroplane. So children, you are well known about this, right? So we can only go through aeroplane to our abroad, foreign countries like USA and other foreign countries. So in the same way, here Aunt Mimi also, she is going there. So she was very sad. Why? Because she cannot take her pet animal. So look into the lesson. Yes, she is going abroad and she cannot take Tulu with her. Tulu is her dog. So here Tulu is what? Tulu is our dog name. So who's this dog? It is of Aunt Mimi. Now look into the lesson. He is very friendly and fun loving. So who is here friendly and fun loving? Here Tulu. Tulu is our pet animal which our little girl is going to get. Now look into the lesson. He is also very fond of people. Who is here? He is the Tulu, our Tulu pet dog. Understood? So Tulu is very fond of people. Fond of means very likable, most loving. It will be more loving with you. If you give more care, more loving to this pet animal, that will also be very likable to you. So it want more care. In the same way, here Tulu is also want more care, especially Aunt Mimi and me. So understood? Now turn your page. So page number 6. Now look into the lesson. See here, you can see the picture, right children? Here Aunt Mimi is there and our little girl is there and our Tulu is there. See here Tulu picture and look into the lesson. Mom says Aunt Mimi and we are helping each other. So here what the mom is telling, Aunt Mimi and mom are helping each other. Why? Because as our Aunt Mimi is there, no, she cannot carry this Tulu with her. Why? Because she is going to abroad. So she cannot carry this Tulu. So what she is doing? She is giving to our little girl. So is this a helping nature? Yes. So you should also be helping to everyone. Now look into the lesson. We do not have a pet and Tulu needs care. So here who needs care? Tulu. Our Tulu is there, no? It needs care. Now see here. Tulu is not brand new. So here one more new word came. See children, see here. Brand new. So what is this brand new means? It is completely new one. So you'll be getting your new clothes, new things. From where you'll get? You'll be getting from shop by giving money. But here our little girl is not getting this Tulu by giving money. She is getting from her mom's friend house. So see here, I love Tulu. I know he is not going to fly away like my old pet. So here Tulu already, our little girl already have a another pet like bird might be, but here it was given, see, going to fly away. Fly away means already previously our little girl have a bird, but it flew away. So it was not there with our little girl. So now she want to get a animal. So now she is getting this Tulu. So here Tulu is a dog. It is a pet animal and it is going to our little girl. Understood children? So this is our lesson. So everyone read this lesson again and try to understand it. And here some word meanings are given. See children, new words are given down. So everyone read. Pet. First one is what? Pet. An animal that stays with us in our homes like cats and dogs. So first one, pet. Second one is see. So abroad. Abroad I have already said you, right? Abroad is a foreign country like the USA and England. So here given see. Next third one, see children. Friendly, kind and pleasant. Friendly, kind and pleasant. Pleasant means more likable. It will be more caring and most lovable. And next see here, care. To look after somebody. So care. Who will be taking care? So for you, your parents are there, they will be taking care of you, and also your sisters, they will be taking care. Yes. So in the same way here for our Tulu, who will be taking care? Now onwards, our little girl. So before our Aunt Mimi used to take care, but now little girl. So next one is brand new. Brand new means what? Completely new. It is a new. Thank you children.